I'm excited to start writing this script for you. Nature's Generator 1800W Review \n. Are you tired of relying on public utilities and dealing with power outages? \n. But here's what surprised me. There are actually some game-changing solutions available in the market. \n. Therefore, today we're going to review one such product that has been making waves online. Nature's Generator 1800W \n. For the best price, click the link in the description. I know what you're thinking. Can a portable power generator really be a reliable source of energy? \n. Well, let me tell you. I've had my fair share of disappointment with these products in the past, but this one is different. \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W promises to deliver up to 1800 watts of clean and silent power, perfect for camping trips, outdoor events, or even as a backup during emergencies. \n. Rehook! Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you need a reliable source of energy, but can't find one? \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W is the answer to all your prayers. At least that's what I thought when I first heard about it. \n. But, let me tell you, there are some things that aren't quite as perfect as they seem. \n. Now, let's dive into the details of this product and see if it lives up to its promises. The Nature's Generator 1800W is a portable power generator that uses advanced technology to convert solar or wind energy into electricity. \n. It's designed to be lightweight and compact, making it perfect for camping trips, RVs, or even as a backup during power outages. \n. But here's the catch. This product isn't just any ordinary generator. \n. It's equipped with advanced features like overcharge protection, low oil level protection, and an intelligent cooling system to ensure that your device stays cool and safe. \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W also comes with a built-in control panel that allows you to monitor your power usage in real time. \n. This feature is especially useful if you're planning to use it for extended periods or during emergencies. \n. Rehook! Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you need to charge your phone or laptop, but can't find an outlet? \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W has got you covered. With its powerful battery and advanced technology, you'll be able to stay connected even when the grid is down. \n. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a portable power generator, like the Nature's Generator 1800W. One of the biggest advantages of this product is that it's incredibly environmentally friendly. \n. Since it uses renewable energy sources like solar and wind, you can reduce your carbon footprint and do your part for the planet. \n. But what really impressed me was the quality of the build and materials used in this product. \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W is made with high-quality steel and durable components that will withstand even the toughest conditions. \n. Rehook! Are you tired of dealing with flimsy generators that can't handle rough terrain or harsh weather? \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W is built to last. With its heavy-duty construction, you'll be able to rely on it for years to come. \n. Now, let's talk about the cons of this product. One of the main drawbacks is that it can be quite expensive compared to other generators in the market. \n. However, considering the advanced features and quality build, I think it's worth every penny. \n. Another thing to note is that the Nature's Generator 1800W requires a bit of assembly before use. \n. But don't worry, it's not rocket science, and you'll be up and running in no time. \n. Rehook! Have you ever had trouble setting up a new product, only to find out it was way more complicated than expected? \n. The Nature's Generator 1800W may require some assembly, but trust me, it's worth the effort. This thing is a beast. \n. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Nature's Generator 1800W is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and portable power generator. \n. With its advanced features, high-quality build, and environmentally friendly design, you'll be able to stay connected and powered up even when the grid is down. \n. Call to action. If you're ready to experience the power of nature in your own home or on the go, click the link in the description for the best price available. \n. Don't wait until it's too late. Order your Nature's Generator 1800W today and stay powered up all year round. \n. Joke 1. Why did the generator go to therapy? \n. Because it had a lot of charged emotions. \n. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. \n.